my name is Amy Williams, and I am in the process of completing the NLP Practitioner class. This has been an amazing ride. It has been a definite roller coaster of learning and emotions and learning tools to be able to deal with the emotions in an instant. NLP is very powerful. It is many tools that you can have in your tool belt to help yourself and other people to deal with life's things, problems, changing your state in an instant. If you're feeling afraid or scared, you can use one of the tools and you can change it just like that. If you're thinking or on the fence about taking this class, please do it. You won't be sorry.
Hi. My experience with NLP has opened my world up. It's made me realize stuff that I didn't even know existed, and it's made me more in tune with my senses. Knowing what I know now, I can help myself reach my goals, get the resources I need if I don't have them, and help others, and listen to what other people are telling me. This is helpful for me because I want to be a leader. I want to be able to lead by example. And to be able to listen to other people's calling or purpose, it's a gift. It's not something that just anyone knows about. This is just some of the things that I've learned from NLP. A lot of the patterns have been very resourceful and a good thing to look at when you're listening to communication. Another great thing I learned about was rapport, how to connect with someone. These things are all helpful with communication. I honestly don't know what I would do without NLP.
Hello there, my name's Anthony Murillo, and I just wanted to say a few words about Kal Jurdi and one of his trainings that I've been recently participating in. I actually have a background doing some training and development myself, so I certainly recognize some things in others that they do exceptionally well. I've been in Kal's NLP practitioner training, and I think he did an amazing job. The level of energy that he brings to the group, keeping you on track, the subject matter expertise that he has. We've learned so much about, kind of what makes us tick, what motivates us, how we see our world, internal and external, and how we can start uprooting and challenging some of our limiting beliefs. Those beliefs inside that little voice in your head that tells you that you can't do something, that you're not good enough, those voices and beliefs that are holding you back from getting what you want in your life and moving forward. And what else can I say about Kal? Besides, his ability to really engage a group, he's somebody that you can trust, somebody that I respect and look up to, that I learned a lot from, not only from formal trainings that I've attended, but just in my interactions with him. Sometimes I'll walk away and it's like, oh yeah, okay, I just learned something, or something that I had previously learned in a training or read about was just reinforced. He exemplified it. So that's something that always comes to mind too. And if you are out there and you want to take your life to the next level, or even if you just need some clarity on which direction to take right now, he can help point you in the right direction, with a consultation, bring some things to light that maybe you hadn't thought of, maybe find out a little bit more about what your strengths are, what motivates you, what demotivates you. And I know I've been there myself a few times where you just kind of weren't sure what direction to take, and sometimes you need, somebody with Cal's background and expertise to help point you in the right direction. And he's also been very helpful with just recommending resources, people in his network that you can connect with for various, marketing, anything else that you need for your business, for example. And overall has just been, a great person to know. And I think you should go to his website or give him a call and meet him so you can find out for yourself.
For those of you watching at home or wherever you may be watching, I've got to tell you, Kal is phenomenal. If you ever get a chance to do any of his classes, you will not be disappointed. What I've gotten from this training, which is the LPN Practitioner's training, is life-changing. I mean, the things that I've learned, I've already been using some of these things in the practice, but didn't even realize that that's what I was doing. And now I have a better understanding, and so it's created this confidence within me to do anything. And I got to say, that's liberating. I've never had that before in that way. I get it in bits and pieces in my life, but not like it is now. It's just a constant on. It's like turning on the faucet and just letting it go. The values and the things that we learn in these classes and how it's taught to us, it's taught to us in such a way that we get it, we retain the information, and we have fun doing it. And I highly recommend, if anyone is interested, if you have an opportunity to take any of his courses, highly recommend you do it. It will be money well spent, and you will not be sorry. Thank you.
Well, as a professional trainer and speaker, working with Kal has really helped me improve my connection with the audience. It just completed his NLP certification, and through working with him and attending this course, the skills that he taught me were really going to be useful in my training, being in front of an audience or a group, and being a coach, a professional speaker and coach. So I'm just really grateful that he has included me in this class and was able to share his skills with me and the rest of the group. I mean, I watch him up there as he's leading and training and coaching us, and the things that he is doing are things that are going to help me be better at what I do. And he's just amazing front of the room presence. And if you're a speaker or a coach, I highly recommend you taking an NLP or neuro-linguistic programming course with Kal, or his Train the Trainer as well. That's another course that's really helped me perfect, just improve on what I do professionally. I mean, it's always great to work with a coach, and Kal has blown away my expectations. He's really helped me become better at what I do, which means that when I go back out there, I'll feel more confident in the work that I'm doing. So I want to thank him, and also highly recommend that you just invest in yourself. It's really an investment in yourself, and he's the right coach, guide, leader, kind of bring you through this process. I think you'll also find it very enjoyable as well. So thank you.